1080p. Yung playback recording niya.
So magkano naman tong itong
SKK Platinum Advance is SRP of 8,999.
Okay, less than 10,000 tapos octa-core na.
Octa-core na siya.
So for our viewers who will be interested to know more about the Platinum Advance, saan sila pwede pumunta?
You may visit our SKK Concept Stores and Kiosk. Pumunta lang kayo sa aming Facebook page, facebook.com/skk.mobilephone. Follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/skkofficial, Instagram, and YouTube. Just search for the SKK Official. And for more details about the SKK Platinum Advance, just go to skkmobile.com.ph.
Okay, JR, maraming salamat for joining us again. So for more product innovation, please visit our website www.webtvn.net. You can also like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/webtvnetwork, and of course you can follow our Twitter page twitter.com/webtvn. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. We'll see you again here on InfoChat. God bless.